Good night, everyone. Tonight I'm going to show you how to track your orders using the links that I have provided here on this page of ours in Moodle. So under topic number 4, online search skills and tracking, you should scroll down to these links here. This is after you've read all the resources and you understand what to do. James, the volume down. So first of all, we're going to look at how to track DHL items. So here is one of the products that I am drop shipping from Port Moresby. I'm one of the agents for Medang. You can see hair food here, volumizing moisturizer, shampoo and conditioner. So I sell this on a drop shipping basis as well, so I collect all the payments from the customers, collect my commission, send the rest to Port Moresby, and Port Moresby sends it via DHL. So I'm going to demonstrate how to track on DHL. This link here. So Port Moresby gives me the DHL tracking number. Click here and I can paste the number in here, track and trace. So now you see, okay, this is recognized as a DHL tracking number. So now I come to this track and trace, and you can see the details of the tracking right here on the website. Okay, so that's one example. Now we're going to look at another example. This is a product that I ordered on Rosary. Here is the tracking number. So I get this tracking number and I come back to this link. It's EMS, and now I paste the link here. I click on track and trace and it has recognized this number. So let's see, track and trace via here. Alright, so you can see all the details. Right here. Okay, it says unsuccessful delivery here, but I actually got it already because post PNG comes here to DY, posted EMS. Now I'm going to show you the last one. This is something that I got on AliExpress. Here's the tracking number. Free shipping. I come back to this place, click on EMS, and I paste the number here. I don't have to call anyone, I don't have to email, I just track straight from my device or my phone. So come down to this link and I can see, okay, here's some information. So this is how to track your items when you order online. Look for the tracking number provided to you by the seller and then use the links that I have provided in the classroom and track your orders from there. You can do this from your device, you can do it from your smartphone, very easy. So you don't have to call anyone, the post office, you don't have to call anyone at TNT or DHL. You can do all the tracking yourself. And when you know that it has arrived at your local post office, then you can check. Usually they will contact you before you contact them, if it has already arrived. Okay, so that's under topic number 4. So go through all the resources here, and the last part is to test. So I will put some numbers, some tracking numbers, then you can practice. Just practice entering the numbers and looking at the information provided.